What do you think? Some daddy is itching to get his son on the ice, huh? New skate? Hey. What do you think? All right. See if you can stand first, Jeff. Hold on. Can you walk, honey? You got to hold him there, Jeff. Here, just walk. Daddy's going to hold your hand. Let him walk first with, yeah. Oh, I know, it's hard. That's how you walk on ice, honey, on a frozen lake. Oh, gosh, with the haircut and their skates, you look so big. All right. All right, say hi to everybody. Yeah? He's like, take these things off. Yeah.